Okay, guys, it's me, Misha. Let's chart a little more. Let me start my Twitch. Doesn't want to start, as always. Excuse me a sec. Okay. If anyone knows why it takes me to lunch, um, Twitch output twice on OBS, Atom codec, let me know, because I can't figure it out. Invest. Ooh. Wait. Um, yeah. So this bypassed transitioning from now. By this I mean Nvidia stock. Oops. It's good in continuation of the trend. Nope. This looks like one bar roll. We don't know it yet for sure. Oh, you can go with the balance. I don't think it is because um the change of diapason is like too much. Um right here. Unvolumed, but kind of like volumed, but unvolumed. T1 um, slash transitioning from. It's a break. That would need a closed, yeah. No, that doesn't need a closed manipulation signal. That's the whole thing. Mm. It's good in continuation of the trend. Well, now this is good for short, like in a day trade. Uh, Reaction bar. It bypassed transition extreme quite powerfully, if you ask me. And now it's good in continuation of the trend. Be super careful, of course, with anything. Mm, Three, I don't know. I feel like just need to leave it alone. Nike changes direction. Mm, 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 mm. When there's the chances, so let's see. Victor Tsoi. His band name was film or movie. I don't know. Whichever floats your boat. It still has a room. 0.5. It formed a balance. And that's kind of slowly eating it up. First 0.5. Oh, by the way. Mm. What do you call it, a break or a spring? Think more like a spring than a break. Volume T1. And you see how like small tail, like bigger tail, bigger volume. That was not bad for. It's absolutely in the wrong place on monthly though. So here's what happened. Yeah, I misinterpreted this monthly level. It's not the support level, it's resistance zone actually. So all of this is a product of my hallucination. However, after a volume like this, it would be also fair to say that we want to cut off all these levels. I don't know, I don't like it. United fails. Yeah, it's now short. That was a change of direction that it didn't go. To know what to tell you. Wait. Wh- Where was I just now? I just glitched. I was on some other chart. But anyhow, you're not here for my glitches. So that was like a spring, but there is no context on monthly, so maybe something on the oh, that's where I was. Okay. Okay. That way happened. So I was not glitching. I opened an hourly instead of daily, and I was like, wait, what? Where am I? Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. Oh, let me see. It's probably is there. Pink. It's one barrel. Needs to stop. Apple is getting there. Um, Minimal volume to insufficient volume. And by the way, if this was a transition extremum, bye bye. I need to shorten my lists. It's good in continuation of the trend now. Uh, that would have been close. It's 19th of September. Goddamn 19th of September. Yeah, that was a good entry. In a good place. Might. I'm doing this reading with Eugene O'Neill Theater in New York again. I was just reading this play. The language, like the way he writes this like street language is just oh. But yeah, anyhow, it's there. This is good for continuation of the trend. Yes, so let's see. Creature. This ranch is just humongous. And it was in some sort of balance here. And then went down, never confirmed. So, yeah. So, how many that would be nice for like 0.5. Guess what? It's never gonna happen. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna what lift you up. Dun, 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 dun. Um, oh, bruh. It missed it. Should we call it premature? Um, Premature, not ejaculation, but um, premature reversal. So I need to coin a term for a market situation where price misses level by hair, like here, but then reverses on inferior time frame. And that's a good sign of this situation happening. premature reversal, especially when you see that it's like the wave develops properly, like the subtrust and then went down. So, and that's exactly what happened here. It missed monthly level by hair and went down. And on jets, bro, it's so tight. It might be the if you're bypassed. Um, he bypassed. And it's getting continuation of the trend. That's being the level. We bypassed transition next round, so so same deal. You see how it came here? Missed it by hair. Well, one can make an argument that, but no. This was a balance, and then this is like a violent expansion of the balance because then it went back. Eh, look at this. This is just 0.5. That's not exactly what I was about to say, but after revising, yeah. Huh. Do you want to call this a balance? Because if you do, if you call this a balance, then this whole thing's still a balance. One barrel, but that's was still don't know what to do with those. This like gaps they eat me up, really. In all the reality. And then look what I did. Look what you did. You've done. And then the most interesting part. Bunk. And it's still a balance. So yeah, it's a balance. Still just a big, huge balance. Lockheed Martin grinds higher. It's good in continuation of the trend. It's not good for continuation of the trend, but technically it is continuation of the trend. Bum, bum, bum. It reversed. We see the strength and we see weakness. A beautiful weakness. This volume is though super weird. However, 8 of 17, remove 9 million. So 79, still, no, yeah, yeah, still big. Um, as we had this conversation before, it should be big, but not too big. The trade I almost took, I took and then exited it because I glitched, but everything was great with this trade. And I missed it. And this transition extreme is absolutely unvolumed. And by the way, it's good for long. Look at this madness. Boink. That's interesting. It's not an imbalance. This thing is unvolumed. Hmm. There was an entry. I think what would have stopped me here is that the take profit is um oh, and also multiple issues, yeah. The up thrust already reached T2. That disqualifies pretty much the hourly setup, but maybe on minutes, nothing. So nothing. It's good for long now. It just needs to stop. And there is no context direction for this thing. This is good in continuation of the trend. The heck. It's like one bar reversal. That's this now. It's kind of weird balance. This hurts my eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's a balance. And by the way, this transition axiom doesn't exist anymore. So still a balance probably. Stabilizing balance. Why does music imprint in our psyche so? I haven't listened to this song for a long time. For a long, long time. This was a good exhaustion volume for here locally. Locally. So okay guys, I'm gonna go. Few things to do before my evening meditation. And this list is just endless. It's annoying. It's annoying how big of a list I have. That worked. Volume T1. And then volume T1 and my trading view glitches and volume upthrust. Hold on. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Take care now. Bye bye.